Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. We are live. Happy Monday morning, everybody. Trading Ever After, good morning. Perfect Play, good morning. Timbo, good morning. NP, good morning. Let's get it. It's go time. All right. Monday morning, it's a new week. Let's see if the market is still crazy. I do feel like the overnight session was a little less volatile. So I don't know if that's going to translate, but maybe the markets start to calm down a little bit this week. But again, I kind of doubt it. I guess we'll just wait and see. We shall wait and see. Hey, don't forget the clock. Thank you very much, NP. I appreciate the reminder. I always forget something like in the beginning of the week. Usually I open my stream and then I keep it open all through the week. That way I don't forget. Hey, good morning, Flojo. Good to see you. Let's have a good week. Man, I'm really hoping to I don't want to force anything, but I'm really hoping to have a good week. Really hoping to have a good week so we can request a payout here for the 15th through the 20th. Thursday, Friday, I will not be streaming unless I stream maybe in the afternoon. I have a golf tournament. We got our first ever golf tournament that we're going to participate in Thursday and Friday. So we are not going to be able to stream or trade unless maybe possibly in the afternoon. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning, Goan Trades, Brass Donkey, Tame Tiger. How we doing, fellas? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let us have us a good day. Got to make sure I'm on my right contracts. Everything looks good. Everything looking good. All right, market has really respected the VWAP in the overnight session. We had the open, we had a big move lower, then a move above VWAP, and ever since that, we've bounced off VWAP all morning long. So be curious to see what happens here at the open. And then if we look at the daily chart, this is definitely starting to have me kind of thinking that maybe we make a move higher. It's definitely, I don't know. It's kind of hard to say. Maybe we come up here and test the 19,000s, and then I guess we'll see if it's going to make another leg lower. But this big wick here, this big green candle, it's kind of looking like maybe we've Maybe we've put in the bottom here at the 17,320s. That's crazy. When you look back, how nice of a double bottom we made on that 17,000. Like right here, the low on this candle was 17,374. And the low is basically 20 points. Pretty crazy double bottom right there on the daily chart. All right. We are 3 minutes away from the open. Also, let's look at the news. Let's look at what kind of news we got coming out. Really nothing to speak of today. So no news to be worried about today. But we do have PPI coming out tomorrow morning. That should move the markets. PPI coming out tomorrow. That's interesting. I might try to pass some 150Ks on that news event. Then we have CPI coming out Wednesday. And then we have unemployment, retail sales coming out Thursday. And then Friday, we don't really have anything news come out. So we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we got some pretty big news coming out. Oh, wow, look at that move lower. Wow. What a rip lower. That came out of nowhere. Right before the open, huge move lower down, testing that VWAP. See what the deal is here. Wow. Hey, good morning, Daniel, Nicholas Conley. Good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? Wow, that was a crazy rip lower. Did I miss something? Right before the open. That's very interesting. Hey, you got some trades in last night. Nice, Matty Matt. I have not. I have not had a chance to trade much. Roger Sam, good morning. You were trading like a cowboy idiot. Nice. Hey, if it worked, it worked. All right. See if we continued lower here right at the open or not. And we're off, folks. Let's see what we do. Are we going to rip this or go lower? Maybe both. Sitting right here at VWAP's right here at the 40s, 640s. Looks like it wants to bounce, but yeah, she ripping. I don't know. I guess that was just a little bit of a fake out there at the open. Got a little bit of a fake out. And right back down. Very choppy here at the open. Very choppy. Oh, I'll try to do my best not to force trades today. Try not to force any trades. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, TCG Andy. Good to see you. Lawrence, good morning. Neo, good morning. Wero, good morning. How many accounts I'm copy trading, Wero? I'm actually not copy trading. I trade all my accounts one at a time. One at a time. It's safer that way. It's just a little safer for me that way. That way, if I happen to go on tilt on one account, I'm not blowing 20. Because we would have done that already in the past. Man, very choppy here at the open. Looks like it wants to see if we can break above that 65 level. We're just in this range from the 35s to the 65s. Now pulling back again to the 30s, 45s. What's it going to be, market? Pick a direction and then go. Hey, Samuel, good morning. Yeah, we're just holding up here at the 40s, right off of VWAP. So far, it's holding. It's held on the overnight session as well. Kind of expect this to go higher. But right now, it's a 50-50 shot. I feel like this thing could rip lower. We could go test the lows here at the 400s. Who knows? Right now, this market is undecided. All right, maybe it wants to go here. There it goes up to the 65s. Can we push? There she goes. 65s. Yeah, now see if we can get above the 70s. She's trying. She is trying. And immediately pulling back. This is hard to trade. Very volatile again at the open. Huge, kind of huge jerky movement. And just difficult to trade this. Definitely not interested. We shall just be patient. It's trying to go higher. It is trying, but it is struggling. Okay, now pulling back again to the 50s. What a miserable opening. Jeez. So we failed to get above the 70s. Now pulling back to the 45s again. So choppy. Hey, good morning, R5 Studios. Good morning. How we doing? Very choppy here. And we're right back up. Definitely getting bought up down here at the 45s. Now we just need to get above the 670s, and then we need to get above the 700s. That's, if we're going to have a nice move higher today, then we need to take out the 700s. Pull them back. Ugh. It's Monday. Man, I am sore. Oh, I'm so sore. I played like 7 games of volleyball on Friday night. Oh my goodness, I'm sore. Everything hurts. Oh, there we go. Down below the 35s now. Let's see. Maybe we go test the 600s here. I don't know. I know nothing. I know nothing and I like it. Are we going to go lower? See, okay, down we go. Below the 30s, down to the 25s. I don't know. Definitely feels like we're going to go test the 600s here. Down to the 20s. There she goes. Ripping it lower. 620s have been hit. All right, there we go. Down through the 15s. You'd think we go test the 600s here. Okay, right here at the 620. See if we go through the 600s here. Nope, she wants to go higher, maybe. Hey, you got that short, Matty Matt? Nicely done, nicely done. Hey, Candle Whisperer, good morning, good morning. How you doing? Hey, good morning, Win. Very volatile candles, Neil. I agree. I was hoping maybe the volatility's gonna die down a little bit today, but does not appear that way. All right, there we go through the 610s, down through the. You gotta think we're gonna test that 600 level. Also, double bottom here at the 604s from the overnight session. No, not the lows. The lows of the overnight session are the 515s. Sorry. All right, let's see. We push through the 600s. Here we go, down to the 605s. All right, here we go. Will she go? There she goes, 600s. Boom, there it is. 595s. Down, see if we take out the 90s here. Looking like we're in for a little bit of a downtrend maybe. Or a pullback here at the open for sure. Now, are we going to test the 500s? Maybe. All right, now getting a bounce to the 600s. See if we make a bounce here, or are we just going to go right straight down? Very bearish now. Lots of selling. It might be a day to look for shorts. I will look for shorts if this goes below the 500s. Until then, I'm going to be patient and just be patient. All right, down we go, down to the 580s, 575s, 570s. Whoa, we are selling off hard. 570s. Wow. Big, lots of selling. Pivot point is at the 553s. Will she keep going? Down we go, 560s, 550s. Lots of selling. Could have just jumped in there, I guess. Oh, man. Really nice to move lower. Doesn't look like it's done yet. Now the key is we just do not need to start trying to pick the bottom. See, we get a bounce. And it'd be tempting to go short here. We're not seeing much of a bounce at all. Anybody catch that short? That was a nice short. I see downside targets at 525, 482. Yeah. Yeah, I guess the answer is the Mondays are not going to be slower. It just crazy, man. Volatility looks like it's still in play. We ripping. All right, let's see. I mean, the 500s have got to be the next level here that we're looking at. Oh, we're not getting any bounces here either that I can get in here. Just gotta wait, I guess. Hey, Rosie Rose, good morning. Yeah, Black Coffee, man. We got big selling. You got out before the pivot. Oh, nice. That's a nice trade, Lawrence. Nicely done. All right, getting our first potential sign of a bounce. And down we go. Down to the 540s. Man, oh man, just go short here and hold on is the play. Just not really having the conviction here to enter or chase this. If I chase this, I'll be the one holding the bag. Not even a hey, Ponzi is in the house. Good morning, Ponzi. Laughter, good morning. Let's have an awesome day. Positive vibes. Yeah, if you caught that drop, okay, now we're seeing our first bounce. This is our first actual bounce. The pivot point definitely did hold. So now it's a matter of will we stair step this down, or is this going to be a V-shaped reversal? That's the question. That is always the question. All right, we're back up to the 590s. This is where I always get scared. And down we go again. Look at that. Oh. Man. All right, here we go. Is it going to make new lows? Are we supposed to trade when price volatiles are violates your moving average? I mean, you're supposed to trade however you see fit, Lafta, but right now, I mean, this big of a move lower, I try to just stay out of it, honestly. This volatility picking up like this, it's not exactly what I wanted to see today. I was hoping the volatility would die down a little bit today, man. Doesn't look like that's going to happen. Craig, however, we had some blown evals renew yesterday, and they are not showing in Rhythmic. Anyone else have evals not showing up? Interesting, Craig. Don't be a bag holder. Oh wow, look at that. See it's getting bought up here at the 50s. It's definitely getting bought up. I don't know how to play this. Part of me, I want to play the V-shape reversal move, but I just hate that. It seems like I always fail. Reset Rhythmic. We fail again to get above the 590s, then I don't know why we don't take a short. I'm taking it. All right. I mean, we're going to take it. If we're wrong, we're wrong. All right. Come on. We need some continuation here. Continuation to the downside. Just go ahead, test these lows again. A little worried about a bounce here on the 50s again. If I see it, I might get out. Okay, we'll take that as the first trade. See if we make new lows. Didn't want to be too greedy there. It's trying to make new lows, but it's getting... The pivot point here is definitely putting up a fight. It's putting up a fight. See if we make a push now. I mean, if we fail to make a new low here and then we make a move above the 90s, then feel like we got a chance to make a reversal here. But yeah, never mind. There it goes. Down to the 530s. New lows. That would have... Looks like we're going to stair step this down. Okay. Looks like we're going to test the 500s now. Wow. I guess we're selling, folks. There we go through the 530s. Man, I wish I'd have a runner going now. But I'm okay taking that off right there where we were having a hard time getting through it. There it is, Brass Donkey. Nicely done. I've connected TradeAway to NinjaTrader 8 for the first time after I bought 3 of the 150Ks, but NinjaTrader 8's message saying data feeds are 10 minutes delayed. Albert, that's weird. I'm not sure why that would be. Does someone know why TradeAway would be 10 minutes delayed? TradeAway data would be 10 minutes delayed? That's very weird. Hey, Spider Monkey, good morning. Albert, did you log into TradeAway as well and just like log into TradeAway with those accounts as well? And then just see if that data is maybe, I don't know, maybe you need to log into TradeAway first and make sure everything is set up correctly. He needs to sign up for the real-time data. Well, the data comes automatically with if you buy an eval account, then you get real-time data. You might need to sign the agreements, but I thought if you didn't sign the agreements, it wouldn't even connect you. Did you hit simulation mode? Yeah, make sure you do that. Wait, the VIX is at 6.66 Ponzi? Yeah, that's not good. Okay, yeah, you may need to put Apex's NinjaTrader license keys into your NinjaTrader website account. Yeah, that is true. You do need to do that. If you haven't done that, Albert, then you need to make sure you go to the Apex, find your license key for NinjaTrader, and follow the steps on how to put that in. It can be numerous different things. All right, here we go. Getting a little bounce here. The question is going to be, I mean, right here, do we just continue trading this move lower? There's really no reason not to. That 560 area right there, that pivot point, the tempting short to take right here. Just gonna be careful. We all know how NQ can act. We all know NQ can make it look like we're in a downtrend, and out of nowhere, it'll rip 100 points straight up. We all know this. Apex Trade had TradeAway log me out while I was long, then wouldn't let me log in for like 10 minutes. What? How? I've never had that happen. That's very weird. And getting rejected off of this 560s. Did you not have a stop in place, Apex Trades? Was the stop should have still activated even if you logged out. All right, we're trying to get above that 560. She's trying. There it goes, above the 560s now. And getting pulled back. Probably due to TradeAway and limiting API. Grateful American, wait. The messages said try again in 5 minutes. I've never heard of that. If you place too many trades, Tradeovate blocks your IP. Is that for real? I've never heard of that. That is a good example why I always need to set a stop cases like that. But I'm sorry Apex Trades. That sucks. Definitely doesn't seem Oh, if you're doing group trades. Huh. Interesting. Okay, this is interesting now. If we get above the 590s, then definitely don't want to take a short. And right now, it kind of broke this downtrend a little bit, maybe. Right here at the 560s. See if maybe we get a V-shaped move here. Hey, good morning, Sarith. Good morning. Good morning, Grateful American. Good morning, everyone. You only get so many inputs in an hour. This is new information for me. Where do you guys read that with Tradeovate that they only allow so many trades per hour? And if you do more, it'll lock you out? I never knew that. But you know what? I learn something new every day. Every day I learn something new. All right, we're right here at the 570s. What is he gonna do? You've been using the license that I got from Apex Rhythmic last year. Okay, Albert. So if you don't have any Rhythmic accounts remaining, I'm not sure how that works, but I know if you don't have any Apex Rhythmic accounts remaining, I'm not sure that your license key is going to continue to work. So I know in the past, like, just get a 25K eval or something small just so you can activate it and that it works. Maybe that's the issue. But I use Tradeovate for my take profit accounts. So I have take profit. I use Tradeovate connections through NinjaTrader, but I use Rhythmic through Apex. Okay, you don't need that. I see go and trades. Okay. Huh. That is weird. I'm not quite sure what the issue is then. All right, here we go. This is starting to look like a reversal now. We are up here and we're testing the EMA. We're right at this 590. There she goes, ripping through the 590s. There she goes, above the 600s. V-shaped move might be in, folks. So, this is always a dangerous time. We got the VWAP at the 6.615s. She's looking bullish all of a sudden. Now, if we rewind and look at the last week we've done a lot of like or right at the open, we pull back and then we make a move higher. Like here, we pull back, make a move higher. What was the other day we did that? Right here, pulled back and then made a move higher. So it does seem like it's been a trend recently where we make a pullback in the morning and then around 10:30, 10 o'clock, we make a move and we rip to new highs. Not saying that's going to happen today, but you know how it is. Yes, yeah, trading ever after. Okay. All right, here we are, 615s. We are now at VWAP. Let's see what happens. It's one or the other. It goes lower, rips higher, or goes higher most of the day, then craps the bed. Yeah, actually, that's true, design. That is true. Seems like around 11:30, 12 o'clock, the market just falls apart the last week or two. I've definitely lost most of my money in the afternoon sessions, so I'm going to try. If I'm green and have profits, then I'm going to walk away around noon. I'm going to walk away around noon because I've given back and lost too much money in the afternoon sessions lately. And here we are above the 615s, trying to get above VWAP here. But it is looking pretty bullish. We're just gonna go, and this is what I like. It seems lately the market, like even here, like we just go straight down. Now we did make a stair stepping down, but it's just lately seems like we just make these big moves that are hard to participate in if you're not in it. Like when the move happens, it's like it just keeps going against, it just keeps going, and you either have to chase it, which I think is a bad habit to start doing, because if you start chasing trades, it's just a matter of time until you get completely destroyed by it. But it's just hard to trade this for me. It just straight up move, straight down move. Pretty happy I caught this trade, to be honest. But here it is, all the way up to the 40s again, opening range. This is where we opened at this morning, right here at the 41s. Maybe we get a pullback here. Okay, Isle Boy. Yeah. Yeah, trading ever after. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Yeah. If I've gotten my payouts approved, nope, they're still pending. We're breathing and relaxing. I'm assuming I'm not going to be approved or denied until the 15th. It seems like, at least from what I've seen, if you don't get approved like in the first 5 days, then it goes toward the end, which would be what, Thursday? Yeah, Thursday the 15th. So, hey, it's fine. We breathing and relaxing, but it is just, to me, I mean, I've already voiced my issues with Apex on this. I told him in a very kind manner, and it's just that I feel like it's just, I mean, I get their reasoning, and I get it, but to me, we live in the 21st century, and to take 15 days to approve payouts, to me, is just like, come on. We got to be better than this. We got to be better. There's got to be a better way. So I definitely challenged him. That was 2 weeks ago that I told him, before maybe I shouldn't have told him that, because I sent him a letter, and now, and maybe they're just like, okay, now I'm not going to approve you. But I mean, okay, they did respond. They were actually very receptive and appreciative of the feedback. I didn't talk about only the payouts, but that was part of it. But they said that they're working on it. They said that they don't like it either, and they're working on a fix, and to be patient, basically was the message I got back. So I guess we be patient. we breathing and relaxing. But hey, my accounts, they're still here. I ain't trading them. I ain't trading those accounts until they're either approved or denied. That's just the way it is. That's a strict policy of mine. If they're going to wait, if they want to play the waiting game, I have more patience than they do. I got patience, all right? If money is involved, I will wait. You're talking about a guy, like, this is an example. I play Escape from Tarkov, okay? For those of you that know Escape from Tarkov, I will wait 40 minutes in a building and I will die to my own extraction rules rather than run into a 4-man. That's me. Okay? So I have the stamina. I've got the stamina to be patient, and I will. I'll hold out. I will hold out even if it's just to be petty. I'm not opposed to being petty. You know, that's just me. Look at that move. Rip right above the 640s, above the 650s now. Look at this move. This is where it's so difficult. I mean, we talked about if we make a move above the 90s to go long. I did not pull the trigger, obviously, but that probably would have been the move above the 590s. But I don't know. I just feel like I kind of feel like I'm chasing at that point, and I just hate doing that. So here we sit, twiddling our thumbs. It's time to whack-a-mole. Exactly, Design. I'm still holding out for the 800. I got all the patience in the world. I have large checks that I deposit at the bank, and it takes 7 to 10 days to get my money. But if I pay something, it comes right out. That is so true, Trading Ever After. That is so true. Oh, ain't that the truth? By the way, I know there's some golf nerds in here, so I'm talking to you guys, but so I was watching the Wyndham Open, or the Wyndham whatever, the PGA Tour yesterday, and what in the heck was Matt Kuchar doing yesterday? Like, what a douchebag. I was like, I couldn't believe what he did. Like, I'm still perplexed on what he thinks he was doing yesterday at the end of the round on the 18th hole. Like, man, that guy, I lost all respect for that guy. Jeez. But for those that follow golf, what were your thoughts on what happened? Hey, good morning, traitorous chick. It never fails. Calm down, it's golf. Hey, don't tell me to calm down. You know, the best thing you can do, if you're ever, like, for those of you that are not married, yet, maybe you have a girlfriend, or maybe you're thinking of getting married, right? So one tip I'll give you is some advice is, if your wife/girlfriend, if they ever get upset and they're really worked up about something, it really helps if you just tell them to calm down. Yeah, just keep repeating it. Like, if it sounds like and it feels like they're not hearing you, then just keep repeating it. Like, just continuously tell them to calm down. You know, if you tell it to them enough, eventually they'll be like, okay. And, you know, you might have to repeat it a couple times, but just keep repeating and tell them to calm down. And then, you know, let's just see what happens. See what happens. I will not be responsible for any hospital bills either. I will not take responsibility. That is uh, yeah, that is suicide. You will die a slow death. uh Nutty wants to see the world burn. I just for the if you ever think, man, I made that mistake one time, only once though. I am a very quick learner. That is one thing that I feel like I have a pretty good handle on, and I'm a pretty fast learner. And I just ever once told my beautiful wife to calm down after she was upset. That's it. That's all it took. I made a mental note, and we're good. We are good. Remind her. Remind her that you are a man and you are speaking. Yeah, you're definitely going to die. You're going to die at a young age if you do that. Or tell her she looks a little bloated. Oh my God. Timbo is definitely going to die. No matter how obvious something is, explain it to them at least a dozen times. Using grammar of a third grader. That always works. Oh my gosh. I can definitely tell who's married and who isn't. They've all learned their lesson. Trust me, they wouldn't be saying this to their wife. Hang on. Let me make sure I'm... Yeah, I think I'm safe. Yeah, mansplain to her. Oh, dear. Yeah, Pete in Orlando. Good times, good times. It's one of those things where you say something and then you duck because you know something's coming. Something's coming at you. Oh, man. I see that Umar released a video. I don't know why this tickles me. Maybe it shouldn't, but I feel like 9 things I learned from making 878,000. Like, I'm like, please, you don't need to learn nothing. Like, not at that point, you're just rubbing it in, okay? Making millions in 3 months, and then it's like, oh, what I learned. Okay, what I learned is that's irrelevant. And we are up. We are about to make new highs. Of course we are. Beautiful V-shaped move. It's worked for 27 years. Have you been married to... Okay, let's do the thing. If you are married, type in the chat how many years you've been married. I love to see it. Do it. Do it, guys. If you are married, type in the chat how many years you've been married. Okay, 5 years, 20 years. Let's go, Black Coffee. Any advice, Black Coffee? Does it, I wonder, of course, I know Black Coffee. I'm sure for your wife, Black Coffee, it probably works great. If she gets upset, if you just tell her to calm down, I'm sure that goes over very well. Timbo, 14 years, 13 years, 6 years. Hey, Diary Futures Trader, good morning. 22 years, Roger Sam, let's go. Jim O, 24 years. Married means nothing. Happily is what matters. And that is true. Jay, yeah, it goes over like a lead balloon. 15 plus. Not married, 10-year girlfriend. Nice. Least estimate. I feel like you probably have learned some things along the way. JR says -8 years. I'm not sure what that means, and I'm kind of scared to ask. I remind my wife I'm the head of household. I bet you do. 38 years with S. McGregor. 38 years. Congratulations. That is unbelievable. Payout approved on 8/1. Just got to my bank account on 8/12. Let's go, Gutenberg. You have to multiply the number of years by the number of kids. Oh, dear. How do I look? Worst question ever posed. That is very true. Or the question of, hey, where do you want to go eat? They already have a pit. They already know. 4 years and 15. Oh, wow. I see. Next to how many years we were married. Usually when I make her mad, I just send her funny memes. That's not a bad move, Matty Matt. It means he's lost 8 years of his life being married. I saying your comments have been heard and will be considered led to my divorce and been happy ever since. You came for the trading, you stayed for the marital advice. Where do you want to go to eat? I have to change that to guess where I'm taking you to dinner tonight. Then when she guesses, I just say yes. Now there's a veteran. BB knows the truth. It says, I am the head of household, but my wife is the neck. I just follow along. That is great, AD. Exactly. Oh, Peter Schaap has been married 29 years. I think that's the most. Congratulations, Peter Schaap. This is not a trading channel. We just sometimes trade, but most of the time we just talk about random things, unrelated to trading, unrelated. You decide whatever you think is right. Yeah, Flojo, if she tells you that, Flojo, you did something wrong, okay? She's mad, but she's trying not to be mad, but she is mad, okay? You decide whatever you think is right. Yeah, you're in trouble. You're in trouble, Flojo. If that's the response you're getting, there's problems. It's a matter of if you want to step through that minefield or not. When I make her mad, I just shut up until she calms down. Yeah, it's kind of like one of those sayings, like the old sayings go, if she's mad, you open the front door, you throw the hat in first just to test the temperature. Oh, wow, Jeff, 31 years and 6 grandkids. Let's go. Nicely done, Jeff. That's awesome. Congrats. I learned more about marriage after the divorce than before. Oh. Look at that rip. 720s now. I hate it here. I mean, this is where I should just jump in and chase it, I guess. I don't know. It's impossible. It's impossible. Whatever. Let's go, Matty Matt. Let's go. 13 years for me. In fact, I multiply by 3 since I have 3 kids. 200 points straight up. Exactly, design. Who would have thought? From the 530s to the 730s. Like it's nothing. Don't worry about it. If you got trapped in this long move, just keep DCAing. I'm sure it'll be fine. Fully expect Apex to be like, nah, you get denied for being a cowboy and trading minis. Nah, you'll be fine. Hey, Trick Trade, still waiting on my payouts. Basically went to scale down from 1 mini to 5 micros per account until Thursday, and that's not an issue. You mean, no, that's not an issue, Trick Trades. That is totally fine. I'm chilling too, man. I'm with you, Trip. I'm doing breathing and relaxing exercises every morning. I get up, my routine is I wake up from my sleep. I get, brush my teeth, comb my hair, splash some water on my face, put on my pants, my shirt, and I come down, I sit at my desk, and I quickly go to Apex. I go to request payout, and I see that I'm still pending payout. And then I start a 15-minute session of breathing and relaxing. And now I'm fine. It's all good. John was right. You just need to breathe and relax. It's all fine. It's like this. This is the meme that I'm thinking of. Hang on. This. Everything is fine. Oh, man. Okay, we're finally pulling back. Call the press. We're finally pulling back. Please come back to test this. Like, even the 890s would be good. 860s, 880s. This range here is the pullback I want to see. I want to see a pullback into this area right here, and then we're jumping in with max contracts. It's just the volatility. Yeah, trip trades. It is volatile. There's no reason to overtrade. 100%. Wow, Mr. Push Up. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Push Up. That's awesome. Carnegie, no, I don't think we have any news the rest of the day, as far as I'm aware. Okay, here we go. Pulling back. Okay, now we're going to get some bullets in the chamber ready. We're going 4 micros. Now, please don't go without me. I'm begging you. Is it going to go without me for real? I don't know if this is considered chasing, but I'm in. Do not make me regret this decision. Okay, it's okay. Could have definitely got a better entry here. Definitely could have gotten a better entry. Come on, just go and fill me. Come on, you can do it. Nice. Rip it. Rip it, baby. Rip it, rip it, rip it. That didn't fill me? Really? What? How did that not fill me? It literally ticked above my profit target. Trying to make me go on tilt here? Or what's the plan here? Do not do this. Seriously? All right, I'm not going to let that trade go red. That was a little questionable. It literally went one tick above my profit target, but it didn't fill. Okay then. Okay then. Fine. Now I need to wait till we make another high. Man, I guess I should have just held, but keep having flashbacks of last week. Last week I had a trade go from pretty nice green to pretty nice red. I do not like that. Yeah, exactly, Chris. Yeah, exactly. I had a situation like that last week and it did not feel well. I did not feel good about it afterwards, so we learn our lesson and we just don't do it again. It's going to go now. I'm pretty sure I would have gotten filled right there. Oh, Chris, actually, never mind. That actually is probably true. If we pull up the NQ chart, here, let's just look at it. So I keep forgetting that I'm trading the micros on the NQ chart. So sometimes that does look a little bit different. If we look at it, let's see. Yeah, that's probably why, I guess. Anyway, whatever, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm trading the NQ. I'm trading micros, but I'm using NQ chart, but my fills are going through as micros. So sometimes that's why the fills and it doesn't look as, it's not quite as accurate as you would, as if I was actually on the micro chart. Yeah, John, yep, exactly. We learn our lesson and we do it again. Yeah, that is true too. We do it again and we like it. We are a glutton for punishment. We are struggling a little bit here, struggling to get above this 720 area. So I definitely don't want to jump in here long. Want to wait. If we get a bigger pullback, I might try another long around the 670s, but ideally I'd like this to make a new high and then see another nice pullback would be preferred. And there's the new highs. All right, 730s. Let's see how far she wants to go. Man, really could be doing a better job of a runner. 740s incoming. Hey, good morning, D Versatility. Good morning. Good to see you. All right, here come the 40s. Very bullish here. Very bullish move. One of these days, we'll just jump in here and catch a nice move here. All right, now getting a pullback. Let's hold on. If your ATM strategy is set in ticks, why do you trade in minutes? I mean, I just always trade in minutes. I don't think that's related, or not in my mind. It's not related. Can you discuss your strategy for passing evals in this market? I totally lost it. Hey, good morning, Soul Search Gurus. Flojo, I mean, honestly, passing evals in this kind of market is it's pretty crazy. Especially if you're going bigger size, I feel like it's kind of throwing a dart at the wall, but that's kind of been how I've been passing them, is to go pretty big size on my first trade. And obviously it can blow the account pretty quickly if you go big size, but you can also get, 4 or 5,000 in profit on a 150K account pretty quickly. And then, so I kind of do a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And I'm basically looking for like 4,500 in profit on that initial trade on my first trade. Then if I get that, then I size down to like 1 or 2 contracts. And then I just try to methodically, use my setups, etc. to pass the account then. But it honestly, I've discovered, like, weird reason, or for some reason, like, there are times when you just cannot seem to pass an eval for the life of me. Like, there are just, there's like streaks where I go through, like, I just can't pass an eval. It's like a curse. But then other times I can't do anything wrong and it's very easy. So it's just one of them things that, it can go either way. It can go one way or the other, and pretty quickly. So that's kind of how it goes with me. Back testing some YM, that's great. Yeah, and honestly, it also depends on where you're at in your trading journey. Like, if you're at the point where you're just, if you're getting payouts, then I feel like being more aggressive on evals is okay. But if you're not getting consistent payouts, then taking it slower and using the evals to get more screen time is, I think, a good idea. But I'll be honest, I haven't always done that. So to each his own. We all got to do what we got to do. All right, we did make it up to the 740s here. Let's see if we keep going, or what's the plan here, folks? We've definitely slowed down. The volatility's died down a little bit, but we are still going higher. Now we're pulling back again. This here is always the move, and then it feels like in the afternoon session, we just kind of slowly bleed lower, and that is where I need to really I just not trade that move. That's always where I get trapped, is the afternoon session meltdown. I used to get payouts 3 months, now giving it all back. Flojo, oh man, I'm sorry. I mean, honestly, right now in these market conditions, these are difficult market conditions to trade. It really is. I mean, it's I mean, it can be good, but it can also, it's been crazy. I feel like it's just been crazy. I was down earlier on my take profit test account by 500, and now you're up 1195. Let's go, Ace Undercover. Time to lock it in. Just passed a 300K eval after failing about X amount of times. That's crazy, the design. 300K evals are no joke. Been able to do 3K a day back testing, except for Friday playback using 5 range, check 15 range. Oh, okay, Thumper, I see. Oh man, do I jump in right here? Nah, we gotta wait. Getting a bigger pullback now. Design. Too funny. Hmm. And immediately getting bought up right at the 700 level here. Hmm. Is this where the meltdown starts? Are we gonna start just slowly pulling back here? That's what I'm afraid of. I'm a little bit scared. Actually, I need to use the restroom. I will be right back. And we're back. Oh, man. All right. Market now just kind of going sideways. Cannot decide what it wants to do. Hey, good morning, Brad Poker. Brad Poker, how we doing? Nice move up. Did you catch that move up higher, Brad Poker? Just kind of rounding out a top. I think we're going to pull back a little bit more. But if we pull back to this 694, 700 area again, I'm going to look to buy. Take a stab at it. Here we go. Do we take the plunge? I'll take it. Need this candle to flip green before it closes. That'd be great. Oh, nope. All right, got the first off. Now we wait. Come on, need a big push here. Need to break above this little downtrending channel we have going on. Rip it. That's what we like to see. That's it. You've not traded in a few hours. Made my money this morning. Let's go, Red Poker. Love it. Love it. Love it. Draw your fib on the tally. Top low. I think we're testing the 61. No way. Wait, from wire? From here? I don't think we're quite there yet. I gotta think about how I want to manage this trade. I thought we were breaking above here, but we gotta hold it. I'm a little nervous how this is acting. And I'm just gonna take it. Yeah, now we are breaking through there, but I guess whatever. I'm gonna take it. Get the base hits today. Just get the base hits today. Was thinking about dropping a line. Telling him Apex is number one. Let's go. Meeting you're a schemer and a scam. You guys are funny. Man, very choppy up here. And here we go. Looks like we're about to break new highs. Here we go. 740s, 743s. She wants to rip. There it goes. 745s, 49s. I definitely could do a better job today of managing my trades. I guess it's all good. $740s, $750s, new highs. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. This is what I was looking at earlier. Right here. We got a very see if we break above. See if we break above. You bought a few calls on the sell-off. Let's go, Ace Undercover. That's awesome. $200 on 20 accounts every day, RG Ace. I know. Unfortunately, I'm not copy trading all 20 accounts, so that's unfortunate. Very funny, Red Poker. $200 a day on 20 accounts does not cover Nutty's golf outings. I am going to go, so Thursday, Friday, we are not doing a stream. Maybe an afternoon stream, but Thursday, Friday is the golf tournament that I'm in. So wish me luck. That'll be a lot of fun. My only objective is to make the cut. So if I make the cut, I consider it a success. And then on today, I'm going to go practice. And Wednesday, I'm going to go practice. So hopefully, I don't know. I guess we'll see. We shall see. But wow, nice moves here. Man, I've realized something lately that I've not been trading my accounts. And I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why, but I just have not really. I think partially I'm scared. I don't like the scared, you know what the saying is, scared money don't make money, right? Something like that. You on Lithuanian time? We have national holidays Thursdays, Friday. It's not a scramble, Ace Undercover. Nope. This is a individual stroke tournament with a cut line. It's a 3-day event. It's Thursday, Friday, you play to make the cut, and then Saturday, the winner is determined. It is called the Amish Open. You have to have a Amish background in order to enter into this tournament. So I am qualified. But yeah, it's a scramble and it's playing from the tips. And the tips play at about 6,400 yards. So it's about a 6,400 yard course from the tips. and we will be playing with PGA Tour rules, basically. It's rigged. Does Apex offer $85 lifetime activation for some of their accounts? Aras, yes. $85 for the 150K, 250K, and 300K accounts. You can, if you pass the evals, you can activate for $85 lifetime fee, which is awesome. 60 Minutes was in the Amish community yesterday. What? For real? I always love me some good Amish, some Amish TV footage. You know what I like to do? I wish I had a golf channel already up and running. This would be some great content. This would be great content to like do my golf. Like I would video all 18 holes both days. And if I had that golf channel up and running, maybe I should video it and just and if I do get it up and running, then I could upload it later. It's not a terrible idea. It's a par 72. I think. Let me double check. I'm pretty sure. By the way, I got my Golf Galaxy watch. Not Golf Galaxy. What is it called again? The S70. So my golf watch, we are good to go. Are there 4 par 5s on the course? Okay, let me think. Let me go through the holes. So par 5 is there. We're nice pullback here. I'm really thinking about jumping in here. So we have 1. Why am I blank? Yeah, 2. So there's 2 par 5s on the front 9. And then we have I can't add right now. Ooh, I have an idea. Let's go to my watch. That would have been a nice entry there. The par 5s from the tips. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know why they don't show their course actually on Garmin. Garmin Approach S70. That's what I have. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Oh, wow. That should have been an entry right there, and I didn't take it. Man, I'm not trading well. Jeez. Here we go. Okay, so the front nine. It is a par 72. Yes. Par 72 on 18 holes. Oh, okay. You got the video, John? Let me watch it. Workers fear their fate after private equity. Huh. This is in Illinois. This is fun. This is really good. Thank you, John. So Arthur, Illinois. I actually have relatives. I actually have relatives that live in Arthur, Illinois. They would be my second cousins. That be my mom on my mom's side. Yeah. So, very interesting. I was out there like, wait, it's been a while. Hmm. Okay, pull them back here. Hit a monster drive on the one par five, and my second shot was an eight iron. Oh, that's so fun, ace undercover. Oh, those are fun, man. I gotta watch John. I'm gonna look for that full I want to watch that full 60 minutes. That sounds very interesting. I'm gonna check it out. I am gonna check it out. Thanks for sharing, John. John is like the video encyclopedia. Oh man. Okay, I need to decide what I'm gonna do. It's 11:16. And I am just struggling again. Trading my other accounts. And he eats duck at least twice a week. I am the nerd with no life. Well, I appreciate it. This feels like right here, I should be trading this like crazy. And I'm not. I feel like I got last week. I think I lost. How many accounts did I lose in total? I feel like I lost like 5 accounts. I know I replenished some accounts with new ones, but still, losing those 5 accounts really scarred me. Really scarred me. And I've been a little hesitant on pulling the trigger. Just been hesitant with my trading ever since then. Which I'm kind of okay with. I don't want to be pulling the trigger if I'm not, or I don't like trading when I'm scared. So maybe I just need to, it's okay just having some slow days. Just having slow days, not taking many trades. I don't think that's bad. That's okay. We can deal with that. Is it going to make a move lower? That's the question. Do you have Apple TV? You watched a great show called Blackbird. I'm always on the prowl for some new good shows. Yeah, Citizen Zero. Yeah. After Bonehead of trading minis, thinking I was trading micros, been very hesitant. Yeah, that's totally how I feel right now. I'm very hesitant. And one thing that I have learned is if I'm hesitant, it's usually best if I just don't trade. Because if I'm hesitant, then a lot of times I'll talk myself out of taking the good trades. And then I'll talk myself into trading like when the trade is already over. And it's just a bad, it's a bad recipe. So I'm going to just I've kind of decided that I'm okay. I'm totally okay with just taking it slow. Like if that means not trading my accounts, I'm okay with it. We chilling. But it does feel like we might pull back here a little more. Hey, Daryl. Good morning. How we doing? Yes, I had a great weekend. What did I do this weekend? So Friday night, I played volleyball, like 6 games of volleyball. I'm still sore. Saturday, I played a round of golf and really just had a relaxing, chill evening. Went to church on Sunday, had a great service, great time. Sunday night it was an awesome, just relaxing Sunday evening. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Serial killer in Illinois and Indiana. What is that called, Red Poker? Did you say Blackbird? Okay, I gotta watch. I love some good new shows. Is it only on Apple TV? It's a true, oh, and it's even true crime. Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm definitely watching this. Okay, I have a weird question. Whoa, big move lower. She is ripping. Wow. Wow. See, this is what I need. Like, see, this here exact reason why I am hesitant to trade. This exact reason. And thank the good Lord that I was not in a trade. Oof. That is crazy. Like, these are the moves that I can't have it. Like, look at that red candle. It's just insane. 745s down to the 770s. 75-point move. That drop was because I closed my short at 731. True. Presumed innocent. Oh, don't tell me more. Don't tell me more, Red Poker. I love it. Thanks for the recommend. That is like, I love true crime, and oh, I love it. I will definitely be watching that. That has to be news. You would think so. Look at this rip lower. Look at the volume spike as well. Man, this is tempting to jump in here. Gosh. What in the world is this? Look at this move. Okay, Blackbird. Oh, are you saying Presumed Innocent is another show? Oh, I thought you were talking about Blackbird is presumed. Okay, so Presumed Innocent is also exclusive on Apple TV. I kind of miss out because I don't currently have Apple TV. But we can change that real quick. Is it possible? Is it possible to have Apple TV? Wow, look at this move. Jeez. Women and kids, get out. Put on your buckle, put on your seatbelts, put on your helmets. Get the women and kids out now. This is bad. This is bad. What the heck is this market? Hi, unbelievable. They're unbelievable. Did war break out? It must be that World War IV was announced. Walking tourist videos while you trade. Sorry, Black Beauty. This is crazy. Let's go, Kathleen. Your 300K account. Trade individually. I would, Kathleen. I really would, but I don't like telling other people how to do and what to do. But man, that is crazy. Oh my good. Have you ever felt like here's this is a crazy move. Unbelievable. This is exactly the moves that I was blowing accounts on last week. These are the exact moves. And I would just literally freak out and move my stop loss like an idiot. But man, that is crazy. Now I don't want to trade. I kind of think I might call it. I don't want to trade this anymore. It's too crazy. I know already the results. I will get my face ripped off. But I'm serious. Was there some news? Did I miss something? Like, was there news? You know, you want to see the response to this? I mean, I know, but I don't. Look at that. Okay, now watch this market go straight back up. That's when you know you're trading NQ, when you see these crazy moves. She crazy. Wow, Jose, nicely done. If you caught that move, man, congratulations. I am not giving back my profits trading and chasing this move. I ain't not doing it. I don't care if I miss out. Look at that. I'm telling you, this market is on something. So I can do an Apple TV free trial for 7 days. But do I have, okay, someone help me here. So I have an Android device, okay? Can I watch Apple TV with my Android device? There's gotta be a way, right? I can. I don't care if I have to pay for it. I just want to know if I can do it. How do I do it? I'm looking at apps and I don't see anything. Somebody help. Apple TV. I'm searching Apple TV on my remote and I don't see anything. But what am I missing? Rob Judd. Yeah, I asked Apex about that. They said that it is coming. Guess we'll see. Guess we'll see. Okay, please work. Oh, are you kidding me? There is no app for Android devices. I watched Apple TV on Fire TV. Oh, I have to use the web browser? Come on, man. We're living in the 21st century. There's an Apple TV app in the Google Play Store? How? Where? I don't see it. It says remote for Apple TV. You guys are tripping. There ain't nothing like that. Wow, this would have been a good short right here. Just don't have it in me to take it. Hang on, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Actually, never mind. I'm going to wait. I mean, I don't see any app, so the only way I can watch it is going through a web browser. I mean, I guess I can do that, but that's kind of annoying. I want an app. Do you have a smart TV? Yeah, I do. I do, but I was hoping I could watch it on my phone, you know. I can always I have an actually have an Apple. I think I have the 4K Apple TV box thingy. So I know I can just use that, but maybe that's what I'll do. What a drop indeed, Orlando. What a drop. That was crazy. Man, I'm tempted to go long here now. Is it gonna pop? But I really have no desire to keep trading this, to be honest. I do not. I'm not interested. Not interested, man. I really was hoping we would just see a nice methodical move higher, but that is not going to happen. But look at this. This is also interesting. On the 4-hour chart, look at how it rejected right off of this. Right off of this, it rejected. I don't know, man. I don't know. Hey, Kraken, how we doing? Good morning. I follow Nutty setups. I take along. I mean, that's not a terrible plan, scalping with Tom. Not a terrible plan. I hope it works. I just don't have it in me. I've been battered and bruised too much these last 2 weeks. I'm licking my wounds. I'm trading NQ, yes. Oh wait, you're talking about someone else. We need to break 633. Right, we need to break the 640s tech. Yeah, 633 here, right here. All right, there it goes. She wants to rip it. Rosie Rose, you walked away. Yeah, I know. So glad I stopped when I did. Exactly, Rosie Rose. I'm so thankful that I was not in a trade, because I'll be honest, I was about to pull the trigger right here for a long play on my other accounts. No lie. I was going to do it, and then I got distracted, and I don't know. I think I was reading chat or something, and I was going to wait until we come test this EMA, and I was just going to enter right here on this EMA if we pull back to it. And I got distracted, and the next time I look up, we were all the way down here to the 690s. So I think chat actually saved me from a big loss today. So yay. One account slightly red, the rest are green. Let's go, Black Coffee. Yeah, I would consider that good. Honestly, I haven't traded any accounts other than this account. This is where this is what my day looks like so far. Oh, man, these accounts are turning kind of stagnant all of a sudden. Ah, man, I do want to trade them, but I just don't feel it right now. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. The problem, also part of this problem, guys, see these accounts? We got this account, this account, this account, this account, and this account. This account is only $500 away. This account is only $900 and $1,000 away on these accounts. And then we're ready for a payout. This account is only $500 away. Or no, this account. Wait. What's the profit goal on the 250Ks? I'm blank. What is the profit goal? Is it... All right, someone's got to know this. I don't want to... I'm too lazy to look. Someone tell me. 65. Okay. On the profit target for a funded account, not an eval, on the 250 is 65, right? Yeah, so 6,600. Yes, thank you. So 6,600 we need on this one. So we're 1,200 away from this one. We're about 2,000 away here, and we're about 3,000 away on these. So it's, I mean, I was really hoping to get a pretty nice, decent size payout for August. It sure would feel really good. Have you guys ever had that experience when you want to, and you feel like you have to make a payout, or, you know, whatever your financial situation is, but, you know, let's just say you have some financial goals for the month, and a big part of that goal is getting a payout. I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of making that kind of goal, because now I feel like I need to make. Yeah, I feel the pressure. I feel the pressure. And last week I felt the pressure, and then I lost a bunch of accounts. I mean, a bunch. I think I lost 5 accounts or 4. It's not terrible, but then we get these moves. Like, we get these moves, and I'm just scared. I'm scared to trade my funded accounts that are close to a payout right now. And I feel like it's better to just not trade at all than to trade scared. And that's basically where I'm at. So maybe we just won't trade those. Maybe we might not even get a payout this period for the 15th through the 20th. There is a chance we don't even make it to a payout on the 15th through the 20th. And I got to be okay with that. We're just, you know, I'll see. I'll try and survive. I'm sure we'll be fine. But it's 11:40, and I have no interest in trading this. Are we going lower or higher here? This thing keeps playing games here. I feel like if this doesn't make a nice move higher, we're gonna make it. We need to get above the 33s here for the bulls to really be in play. And looks like the bulls are stepping up their game. Oh, there it goes, above the 30s. Hey, Tom Bernard. No, we have not. We have not gotten approved yet. I'm assuming it's going to probably go till the 14th or 15th, the way I've seen from other people. Once you go past a certain amount, it seems like it always goes toward the end. So, nope, I have not been approved. See? You guys, everybody keeps saying streamer privileges. Well, where's my streamer privilege? We breathing, we relaxing. We're breathing and relaxing. If I cannot trade those accounts when you're waiting for approval, avocado, yes, you can. You can definitely trade them, but I choose not to. I choose not to. I'm getting my pitchfork ready. It is what it is, you know? It is what it is. Oh, wow, look at that fake out. A little bit of a fake out to the upside. And now we're going higher again. All right, I'm trying to decide if I just want to call it a day here. I might actually do it. I might actually shut down my trading for the day, just using Guardian Angel Trader, shut it down. And I just feel like today has the makings of being doing something stupid. Enjoying your channel and appreciate the honest. Just wondering when you start paying. Wait, start paying / stop paying the monthly fee. Oh, Sam Owen. So right now, Apex is running a promotion where the 150K, 250K, and the 300K account, if you pass that size account for $85, you can activate the funded account, and that is lifetime, no reoccurring. But if I'm not doing that, then I usually I recommend doing the monthly fee at least until you've proven that you can get consistent payouts. If you can get consistent payouts and you can hold your accounts for a longer period of time, then I do switch to, you know, the one-time fees. But in the beginning, I would recommend just doing the monthly fees until you've proven that you can get consistent payouts. If I'm copy trading Thumper, no, I'm not. I just showed here. Whoops, those were my take profit accounts. Here's my Apex funded accounts. My Apex funded accounts, you can see, this is the only account I've traded. This is the account that I've been trading, but they are not copied. We only do one at a time here. We take it, we chilling. We're taking it slow. We are taking it slow. How's my zero turn doing? Oh, just fine. You put some off-road knobby tires on yours? Oh, geez. You'll tear up your lawn if you have really, like, heavy-duty tires on it. And you make it turn really quick, it'll just make a big divot. Oh, okay, guys. I think I'm going to call it here. I honestly think I will. I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to shut down my trading for the day, and we'll be back tomorrow. I just don't like this. I think right now we could easily go back up higher. We could drop off a cliff again. I just really have no desire to find out. I do not want to F around and find out. I will gladly watch from the sidelines. So I think I'm going to call it here, guys, and we'll be back tomorrow. And like I said, Thursday, Friday, I will not be streaming, just FYI. Yeah, hope you all have a great green day. Be careful out there because this market is crazy and it can blow accounts in seconds. So be careful. Just be careful. Put in your stop losses for worst case scenarios. So hope you're all green. Have a great day and God bless.